What is meant by fault tracing? Fault tree analysis (FTA) is a type of failure analysis in which an undesired state of a system is examined. This analysis method is mainly used in safety engineering and reliability engineering to understand how systems can fail, to identify the best ways to reduce risk, and to determine or get a feeling for event rates event rate of a safety accidents or a particular system level functional failure. What are the importance of fault tracing? Understand the logic leading to the top event: undesirable state, slow compliance with the input, system safety, reliability requirements. Reliability requirement prioritize the contributors leading to the top event, creating the critical equipment, parts, events list for different importance measures. What is meant by a decision tree? A decision tree is a tree-like model that acts as a decision support tool, visually displaying decisions and their potential outcomes, sequences, and cost. From there, the branches and easily be evaluated and compared in order to select the best courses of action. What are the applications of decision tree? Decision tree analysis in risk management, decision tree analysis in healthcare, decision tree analysis in capital budgeting, decision tree budget analysis, and decision tree analysis in finance. What are the type of machine tool faults? Hearing, overheating, machine tool vibration, noise. Oil leak. What is the fault finding sequence? Monitoring variable module registration sensor, supervision, collection of information on the behavior of these parameters, data sample, evaluation or analysis, information and historical behavior, diagnosis, determination of failure type and its root cause, application of corrective actions, alternative smart decision, intelligent and autonomous system solution, optimization technique, expert systems, neural networks, and physiologic actions, maintenance, predictive, proactive, replacement. Explain in detail about the fault tracing analysis and its importance. Fault tree analysis (FTA) is a type of failure analysis in which an undesired state of a system is examined. His analysis method is mainly used in safety engineering and reliability engineering to understand how systems can fail, to identify the best ways to reduce risk, and to determine or to get a feeling for event rates or a safety accident or a particular system level functional failure. FTA is used in the aerospace, nuclear power, chemical and process, pharmaceutical, petrochemical and other high hazard industries, but is also used in fields as diverse as risk factor identification relating to social service system failure. FTA is also used in software engineering for debugging purposes and is closely related to cause elimination technique used to detect bugs. Importance understand the logic leading to the top event or undesirable state, show compliance with the input system safety or reliability requirements, prioritize the contributors leading to the top event, creating the critical equipment or parts or events, list for different important measures, what is meant by decision tree, and explain the steps involved in it with suitable sketch decision tree. A decision tree is a tree-like model that acts as a decision support tool, visually displaying decisions and their potential outcomes, consequences and cost. From there, the branches can easily be evaluated and compared in order to select the best courses of action. Decision tree analysis is helpful for solving problems, revealing potential opportunities and making complex decisions regarding cost management, operations management, or organization strategies, project selection and product methods, drawing a decision tree diagram. Drawing a decision tree diagram starts from left to right and consists of burst nodes that split into different paths. Nodes are categorized as root nodes which comprise the whole sample, and it's then split into multiple sets. Decision nodes, typically represented by squares, are subnodes that diverge into further possibilities, and the terminal node, typically represented by triangles, is the final node that shows the final outcome that cannot be further categorized. Triangle, square, rotated. The steps in decision tree analysis consists of one, define the problem area for which decision making is necessary. 2, draw a decision tree with all possible solutions and their consequences. 3, input relevant variables with their respective probability values. 4, determine and allocate payoffs for each possible outcome. 5, calculate the expected memory value for every chance node in order to determine which solution is expected to provide the most value.